we're to find this volume of solid, and it's a torus created by revolving this circle about the y-axis. And so we draw the picture, and we're going to use two methods here. One is the shell method. So we take a cut vertically here, and we take the corresponding cut and make shells this way, and we run them from x equals 4 to 8. So here is the representative shell. At an x location here, the radius of the shell out to that point is x. The height there has to do with the y value, but it's twice the y value because it's going from the negative part to positive. So it's going to be 2 times the y, and of course the y is, when you solve for in the equation, you get this, square root of 4 minus x minus 6 squared, when you take this and solve for y. So then the volume of the shell, which is just a slab, if you cut it and lay it out, you're just going to get a rectangular slab, delta x high, because that's the thickness here. From here to across here is delta x. So it's going to be 2 pi r h times delta x. That's the circumference of a circle, then times the height of the rectangle sheet, times the thickness, delta x. And then so there you have your volume of the shell. Then you add them up as x goes to 4 to 8. You'll get small inner shells to outer shells. And here is the expression. So then the exact volume is going to be integral from 4 to 8 of this expression here. And we want to run Simpson and equal 473.7. The exact answer is 48 pi squared, which is rounds out to 473.7 also. So that checks out. Alright, now we're going to do a different method, which is a washer method. We cut horizontal slabs, horizontal slab slices that look like this. They're delta y thick high. There's an outer radius and an inner radius. The outer radius, you take your circle equation and solve it for x to know how far you're out with your radius. And so it's 6 plus or minus square root of 4 minus y squared. So the outer radius is with a plus, and the inner radius is with a minus. So the volume of the large disk is pi r squared h, and the inner is similar. So you just subtract off the the big disk minus the core center, and you get this expression here. Then you write the volume is exactly equal to the y values are going from -2 to 2 of this expression, and that also is estimated in the program as 473.7.